everyone, I'm here now at Alabang in Muntinlupa. As you see the building of the landmark, and this is Festival Mall. See the Festival Mall here. It's the Festival Mall here in Alabang in Manila. So ngayon po ay nasa Festival Mall na ako, at ito ang kabuuan ng mga ilang gusali dito sa Alabang in Muntinlupa. So you see the modern buildings here. That's the landmark. Ito po ang lugar ng Alabang. So napakalaki po ng Festival Mall. Ganito po kamoderno ang Alabang ngayon. At dyan sa mga lugar na yan, makikita nyo ang Insular Life Building, ang Philinvest Building, and many giant buildings. So you can see the people now going inside Festival Mall. Sila ay naghahanda na upang magtrabaho, at ang iba naman ay mag-shopping. So ang mga jeepney galing San Pedro, Laguna ay dito dumadaan, umiikot dito pabalik ng Muntinlupa and San Pedro. So this is a very modern area in Manila. It's like little Singapore also in this side of Metro Manila. So papasok na po ako ngayon sa Alabang, sa Festival Mall ng Alabang. Pasok na po tayo. Ay, sorry. This is now the entrance. Akyat po ako ngayon. Ayan. This is Lawson store. And I'm going up to the escalator. This is Mang Inasal. I think I have to eat halo-halo here at Mang Inasal now. It's a very nice and very big mall here in Alabang. See how big is the mall here. It's the Bangs Prime Salon. Wow. Oxygen. Haro Jewelry. Tambunting Home Shop and for sale. Pink Katada. It's the other side of the mall. You see the elevator at the center. This is the other side. Starfinder Optical, CLN, Jag, Unica, Plains and Prince, Payless. It's a very modern mall in this part of Metro Manila. Napaka-modernong mall po ng aking pinupuntahan ngayon. Decathlon. Yeah, look at that, the other side. The bakery. Tobi's Sports. Boku.